a refrigerator, and it feels so cold on the outside looking in. And the word is he'd been seen with some new lady. When he says he's out putting some overtime in, now you had it right up to where you just can't take it. No matter what you do, he keeps doing you wrong. Oh, but don't get mad, don't get even, that just takes too long. Get a lock, get a grip, get over it, then get gone. Get gone, get out, get going on the double. Just ain't worth all the worry and trouble. Make like a late freight train and moving on. Yeah, get gone. Well, you know that